do what it is, and what's good, YouTube, and welcome back to Beard Talk with Matt. Today we're in for a treat as a review, the Magruder scent. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Thanks for staying tuned. Like I said before, we're in for a real treat as I review and talk about the Magruder scent from Chesapeake Beard Co. So, if you don't know, Chesapeake Beard Co. Gary is the owner. This is my second review on his company and products. The first one was on a co-wash. I'll try to link that at the end of the video. And if you're looking for a co-wash, hands down, my opinion, that's the best co-wash on the market. So Magruder scent is a collaboration with Beard Times with Scott. If you don't know Scott, I'm going to link his Instagram and YouTube right here. It's Beard Times with Scott. He's a great guy, one of the most nicest, caring people you ever meet. When I first started my YouTube journey, I asked Scott for advice how to start it, how to do the videos, so on and so forth. He was more than helpful, and I really appreciate that, Scott, so much. Like I said, Gary's the owner. Gary, just like Scott, is a tremendous, nice guy. He's one of the nicest people you ever meet. I've had several conversations with him, and I enjoy talking to him. I enjoy being in his live streams. You should join him. You know, he cares about his customers, his products, how the customers feel about his products. And customer satisfaction is what he worries about. And, you know, I truly believe I made a great friend with Scott and Gary. And I appreciate the friendship, guys. You guys are like my brothers. So, what was that? Oh, you noticed my hat. It's a Chesapeake Beard Co. hat. And it's a limited edition. It was a run of 12. See the nice little patch on there, leather patch. It's a nice hat. I was lucky enough and fortunate enough to get one of these, the limited edition. I think he's going to be doing another one with a different type of patch. So if you missed out on these ones, you better jump on that one. So back to the review. We're talking about Magruder. It's a 2-ounce oil. It's $17.98. The balm is a 2-ounce balm, and it's $17.98 as well. Or you can get both for $29.98. That's a tremendous deal for a 2-ounce oil and a 2-ounce balm. You cannot beat it. So I love Gary's labels. He always goes into so much detail on his labels, and you know that's just an extra thumbs up from my point of view. So we're gonna get into this. It's about a light yellow tint. I would say it's definitely a medium thickness in the oil. Oh man, and that's that sandalwood and amber that Scott and Gary came up with, and it's a fantastic blend and combination. I remember when I first got this and I smelled it, I messaged Gary and I was like, if you ever make this into a cologne, I want it. Because I would wear this as a cologne. You get that sandalwood, you get the warmth and the smoothness from the amber. And it's just a great combination. I never knew what like an amber scent beard oil or product was because this was my first amber. And since then I've had a couple amber scents. And this is by far my favorite, something with amber in it. By far. Oh man, I love it. And this is a one-time application. It lasts all day. You put it in the morning, it lasts until you wash it out. And that's great. I love that about Gary's products. The scent lasts all day. Some products from other companies you have to put in twice to get the scent, or you know, it just lasts 8 hours. This is literally all day. So we're gonna get into the ingredients. We got jojoba oil, hemp seed oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, sandalwood, and amber blend. And it's a great blend. 2 ounce. So now we're gonna get into the balm. He recently switched to these black little plastic jars, containers, and I really like it. They're nice and slimming on the shelf. They stand out, and I really like them. I think he did a great job with that. And you know, great labeling once again. Gary's one of the best labels in the game. You heard it here, in my opinion. So, and if you know anything about watching my other videos, I love a balm that smells just like the oil, where I'm not getting the beeswax or the carrier oils or anything else. I'm getting the scent that I bought or got or anything. And this right here is as strong as the oil, and I really love that. It's about a yellow tint. You see I've used a good amount of it. A little bit of yellow. I would say it's a medium hold. Definitely a medium hold. So we'll get into the ingredients on this one. It's beeswax, cocoa butter, shea butter, jojoba oil, hemp seed oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, and the sandalwood and amber blend. Like I said before, that's a sweet blend. I love this scent. And I'm going to give you guys a little spoiler alert. This scent right here will most likely be in my top 10. And Gary is one of my favorite owners from one of my favorite companies. He makes great products. And if you haven't checked out his products, I'm telling you, you got to. Thank you for watching. This was Matt approved. Stay bearded.